Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ban on TikTok Live. First of all, just open the TikTok application on your mobile, and once you are here, simply just go to your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then click on these three bars in the upper right corner and simply go for settings and privacy. Once you are here, you have to scroll down to report a problem, then click on it, and from here you have to go this topic section and search for this live. Click on it, and here you have to go for live is suspended. Click on it, also called live is banned, so we are gonna go for suspended. And here if you read these instructions here and this can't help you, tap on this no and click on this need more help. Now here you have to simply tell your feedback to the TikTok team that you are facing the problem. You have to tell them please unban my live button or something like this. After this you can upload the screenshots of your problem and then simply just tap on this submit button. TikTok team will reply you and hopefully they will solve your problem. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.